How to add a phone number in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Mitrade and want to add a phone number to your account, first of all open the Mitrade application on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the hub button at the bottom right corner from the home screen, and then go ahead and tap on the settings button from the bottom of the screen. Inside settings, tap on security. Under account security, tap on verify phone number. Now on the next page, enter your login password to proceed. Type in your correct password for your Mitrade account and tap next. On the next page, select your country code from the drop-down and enter your phone number. Once you type in your phone number, click on Get Code. You'll then receive an SMS verification code sent to you in your provided phone number. You'll need to type it down in the code tab. I'm not entering any phone number right here because of privacy reasons, but you might want to enter your phone number in the first field and tap on Get Code. You'll receive an SMS verification code sent to you via SMS. Just type in the code right here. Finally, after doing so, click Verify and you'll be able to change your phone number. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.